they are superstars, but together, they are a force of nature. They are the holy grail of sex.
I generally don't feel lonely.
I think that we just have a natural chemistry.
They're making clothing, music, producing, restaurants, clubs.
They know how to work the publicity and the press to bring it to the point that they want to make.
They are power couples, global phenomenons who have us glued to their every move.
Over the next hour, we're bringing you the hottest, sexiest, and most earth-shattering pairs in the stratosphere. It's time for the 25th power couples.
Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen.
The Olsen twins are our power twin power couple.
So little. They're little and fashion and wear big, clunky shoes and lots of stuff.
They're very eclectic and they like to layer so much that I sometimes don't even know what they're wearing. It's like, I'm going to wear everything I saw in Fashion Week on Tuesday. I love them. Great little power twin couple. Want to feed them.
Wears 12-inch heels and she never eats.
Gwen Stefani and Gavin Rossdale.
They're very just chill with everything. Yeah, all right. We had a baby. It's a clothing line. Rock on. Yeah. Let's go on tour.
Jennifer Lopez and Mark Anthony.
2 Puerto Ricans, Latin, 100%.
Muy caliente.
Like once she takes on a lover, boy, you're done.
It's Heidi Klum and Seal.
Never saw the I have to lose the baby weight phase. It was like baby, and let's go work.
Starting off the top 5, Beyonce and Jay-Z.
They're like taking over the world, but very subtly.
3, it's Reese Witherspoon and Jake Gyllenhaal.
Reese Witherspoon and Jake Gyllenhaal are the undercover power couple. They have gone to great pains and long lengths to make sure that they are not connected as a couple.
You haven't even seen them together.
Even when they were standing together on a press line, they made sure that they were not too close.
What are you talking about? We're not dating.
It's David and Victoria Beckham.
You don't even need to have a television to know who they are. That's how big they are.
David Beckham's Armani underwear ad. Oh, so hot. He may be stylish, but I prefer him without his clothes.
First, let's